Hello, I'm going to show you how to convert TikTok PayLater to Gcash. Transferring funds from TikTok PayLater to Gcash is not a straightforward process, as TikTok PayLater is designed for purchasing products within the TikTok platform on a deferred payment basis, rather than for direct fund transfers to external e-wallets like Gcash, so there are alternative methods. While direct conversion isn't supported, some users exploring direct methods to utilize their TikTok PayLater credit. First of all, purchase and resale. Use TikTok PayLater to buy products, then resell these items for cash, which can then be deposited into your Gcash account. Although policy compliance, ensure that any method you consider aligns with TikTok's terms of service to avoid potential violations, and also there are financial risks. Be cautious of potential financial losses, especially when reselling items, as the resale value may not match the purchase price. So in conclusion, currently there is no official method to transfer TikTok PayLater funds directly to Gcash. Exploring alternative methods involves risks and may not be compliant with platform policies. It's advisable to use TikTok PayLater for its intended purpose, purchasing products within the TikTok ecosystem,